St. Louis de Marillac College of Sorsogon Incorporated, SLMCSI, formerly Colegio de la Milagrosa, has a rich historical background. It was founded in 1937 by Most Reverend Francisco Reyes, who believed that Catholic education was needed in Sorsogon. Over the years, the school expanded its educational offerings, achieving government recognition for various programs. Now, new program offerings like Bachelor in Physical Education, BPEd, and Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, BSHM, are added to the present programs. SLMCS continues to evolve its curriculum, like adding the graduate school and compliance to different TESTA qualifications as training and assessment centers. Just recently, SLMCSI was awarded Best TVI and Best Assessment Center in the entire Sorsogon. It has garnered POSCU accreditation as POSCU Level 2 accredited. SLMCS dedication to Vincentian excellence is exemplified by its POSCU accreditation. St. Anthony Academy, SAA, of Gubbit campus began in 1952 under the initiative of Monsignor Manuel del Rosario, is also a Catholic school in Gubbit, Sorsogon. SLMCSI Gubbit campus is a PEAC certified school and an accredited TESTA training center. SLMCSI is known for its Vincentian excellence in different areas. The education program has shown its best practices in instruction by giving of pre-review classes as embedded in the curriculum, portfolio making and mock demo teaching before graduation. SLMCSI Main and Gubbit campus is also a partner school for the Joint Development Program of the Department of Education. It has trained many students to gain skills in bread and pastry production NC2, cookery NC2, food and beverage services NC2, computer systems servicing NC2, events management, and tourism promotion.
Library. The use of the SLMES library system and membership with DOST Star books for ebooks and research references. In pursuit of academic excellence, our institution has embraced modern library practices to enhance the learning experience of our students. One of the key initiatives is the adoption of the SLMES Senian Library Information Management System, Library System, a state-of-the-art tool that streamlines library operations and provides easy access to a wealth of educational resources. SLMES has revolutionized the way students and faculty interact with our library. With SLMES, users can conveniently search for books, journals, research papers, and other materials, making the process more efficient and user-friendly. In addition, SLMES allows for easy tracking of borrowed materials and assists in the management of library resources. In summary, the integration of the SLMES library system and membership with DOST Starbooks demonstrates our dedication to fostering a conducive learning environment. We believe that access to cutting-edge library technology and extensive research materials is essential for nurturing the academic growth and success of our students.
Basic Education Department has been a Catholic institution for many years and has produced many graduates who are very successful in their profession. It has garnered awards and recognition for its many achievements in academics as well as in extracurricular activities. Students here are known for their athletic competence and journalistic skills.
Business Administration Program, research-based instruction and peer tutorials for students with difficulty in major subjects. Our Business Administration Program is committed to providing a well-rounded and supportive learning experience for all of our students. To achieve this, we have implemented two significant best practices: research-based instruction and peer tutorials. Research-based instruction, our faculty members are dedicated to delivering instruction that is not only theoretically sound but also grounded in real-world research. By incorporating the latest business trends, case studies, and academic insights into our curriculum, we ensure that our students are well prepared to tackle the challenges of the business world. This approach equips them with the critical thinking and problem-solving skills necessary for success.
Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, partnership with 5-star hotel and TESTA certification. Our hospitality management is designed to provide students with a comprehensive and practical education in the field of hospitality and tourism. Two standout best practices in this program are our internship with a prestigious 5-star hotel and our commitment to TESTA certification.
Bachelor of Arts, use of social media as a communication platform, Luzian Insider. In the digital age, effective communication is paramount, and our Bachelor of Arts program recognizes the importance of leveraging modern tools to engage with our students and the wider community. The Luzian Insider initiative is a testament to our dedication to enhancing communication through social media.
Best practices in research. Integration of Turnitin in the checking of research instead of manual editing. Use of Statistical Package for Social Sciences, SPSS, in the computation of data results. Annual subscription of software and application used in research activities. Giving of cash incentives to researchers after they are done with the research through final defense.
Community outreach. Sustain the Meals on Wheels program in partnership with the Hunger Help Association. This is to secure the elderlies in the home for the aged with the help of the canteen staff. Regular visit to the different barangays in need. Community partners are given skilled training on organic vegetable production in partnership with city organizations, especially during the Lenten and Advent seasons.
SLMCSI is presently located in the heart of Sorsogon with all the new attractions of the newly renovated Sorsogon Capitol and newly constructed sports arena, coastal road, etc. SLMCSI is an institution of Sorsogon City with Vincentian excellence and is considered at present as the pride of Sorsogon.